Hello! This seminar enables you to become a superb coach in project team collaboration. It is the ultimate guide to mastering this sought-after expertise of leading and conducting these workshops utilizing the stick model. At the end of the course, you will be able to plan and coach a multi-department project team collaboration event. Included for your download are instructions, examples, checklists, and templates to enable you to effectively plan and conduct the workshops. You'll practice building the stick model for real projects and download editable example answers, and reinforce your capability with learning emphasis quizzes. You will substantially improve your project team's delivery, and if a consultant, you will certainly enhance the services offered to your clients. Successful projects always have clarity of scope across all departments early and avoid scope creep. From our experience, we have no doubt you'll make back the nominal seminar cost in your first engagement and contribute significantly to improving the project. So we're excited to share. Let's get you signed up. Thank you.